Hello engineers, welcome our new playlist second channel education video, and in this second educational video we will introduce you how can you deposit fiat or your doesn't matter other cryptocurrency in general your money into the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Let's get started. First of all, just I'm imagining you had already passed your own KYC verification. If you don't know how can you do this, please first of all move to our first video. I mean, after register on Binance, and then I will show you, and I showed you how can you pass KYC verification, and then yes, after the successfully KYC verification, you can absolutely transfer your money, deposit money, fiat money, cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter. And then you need to click, first of all, just deposit. We are, by the way, at the main menu of Binance, and then click deposit, and then you will see some choosing P2P trading, buy with USD, deposit crypto. For example, you can start from P2P trading. That is the easiest method and cheaper method to deposit crypto or deposit fiat money to Binance. And then you are see we are at the Binance P2P platform. And then if you don't know, if you want to learn, you can just click buy crypto, sell crypto. How can you do this? And let's get started. For example, if you want to buy crypto, next and choose a buy advertisement. For example, that's the buy advertisement. Click buy button and then place your own order into the deal, put your own details into the deal, and then make payment and then transfer it, not by seller. First of all, make payment and then click transfer it, and you will see received your own crypto in your spot or funding account. That means you had already successfully bought your own first crypto. Congrats! And click buy now. For example, available order limit minimum of 100 and 2000. For example, if you want to buy $50, if you want to deposit your own $50 in there, you can't use, for example, this buyer, this seller, sorry, because that is the minimum limit $100. Just put, there's no matter, but if you don't want to take a lot of time to scroll down, just put your own oil payments and origin and transaction amount. And then Binance filter it, and then you are seeing even there are available 10 USDT, and then click buy USDT, available over 4,000, and then buyer amount price 1.01. That's also good. And then just click because we want to deposit our 50 USD here, and we will receive 48 USD. And for example, you can do it ATM, and then if you want to change method, there is no other method, and then you can do it from there, filter it for all payments. For example, just yeah, popular payment method. One of the popular payment method is ATM, and then we can click buy USDT again. If you buy USDT with ATM, click buy USDT, complete KYC verification, enable SMS authentication, and I had already showed up you, and I just imagine right now you are not seeing that, and then I'd already show you how can you put your own amount. Just take a look at that. Right now we need to place our amount. Are you seeing we put it 50 USD into the deal, and then we will receive 50 USDT into the deal, and then click make payment. I mean in here you had already sent your own USDT from AirTM to buyer AirTM, and then click transfer. I mean, I had already transferred my money. You say to Binance, and then notify seller. Seller notified your own transfer notification, and then click bring crypto. That's it. And then you will see successful purchase. You received 50. That is the cheaper method and easiest method. That's it. And then we had all the other methods. Probably some people want to make more transfers, for example, $10,000 or more than, and then some of people can't trust P2P trading, and then just buy with USDT, sorry, and then click enter amount, for example, and we will get 9,500, and you verify buy, and just after click verifying, and you will see buy, just put your own bank system. For example, if you are European citizen, if you have European citizenship, you can just put any European banking system and you can do it USD or Euro, doesn't matter. And if you are American USA citizen, you can pay USD or any American banking system. Just click buy and put your own bank account details, or doesn't matter, payment card details, and then you will successfully purchase with commission. But that is the I absolutely take note that across that, because that's contain a lot of commissions from Binance side, from banking system side. That's why I want to recommend that you P2P method is the cheapest method as a commission side. That's it. And click deposit and click deposit crypto. If you have, for example, your own crypto at a Metamask, and then you need to transfer your own, for example, BNBs to Metamask to Binance, just first of all, Siege coin, for example, just put into the right now. I still am waiting for verifying now. And actually, I can move with my another and main Binance account. That's just test Binance account. And right now, can see freely how can you use whole details into my main Binance account, and then stay logged in. Yes, deposit and deposit crypto, and then we need first of all search coin. For example, what should we say? BNB, and then select network Binance Smart Chain. That is the recommended, and that's the cheaper and fastest. And then you are seeing Binance will give you contract address, and then you need to copy and what did I say? We have our BNB at the MetaMask. Just click send, and then pass your own public address, and then choose your own BNB. Just let's imagine, I don't want to take it so long to find BNB and my BNB in MetaMask, and then click continue and confirm. And after a minute of 5 or 10 seconds, you will see email from Binance or notifications from Binance mobile application. Congrats, your BNB is successfully depositing, and that's it. But still, I want to recommend that that is the cheapest method. It's the peer-to-peer method, because you need to pay as a fee, as a commission fee, a little bit BNB from MetaMask to your own Binance. But that's also the cheapest method. But peer-to-peer trading, you will just $0 as a commission, or minimum 1 cent. Yeah, minimum maximum 1 or 3 cents. That's it. That is the how can you deposit your own crypto and fiat at a 24 year. If you learn anything from this video, and by the way, that's the educational video for newcomers, maybe other and our followers had already knew that and said, what is that? Doesn't matter, that we are just preparing this educational series, educational playlist for our newcomer users, newcomer watchers, subscribers. Yes, just support us by subscribing on the channel, like this video, and find out our social media links and follow them. See you on the next bullish time.